Rust creeping up on your pergola canopy framework at those connection points can totally wreck the vibe and even cause some serious damage if you don't handle it right. So, first off, you want to spot that rust early before it gets all gnarly. Grab some sandpaper or a wire brush and scrub off the flaky rust like you're exfoliating your skin. Then clean the area with some soapy water or a mild cleaner to get rid of dirt and grease. Makes the paint stick better, you know? After it dries, slap on a rust-inhibiting primer to keep the metal safe from future rust attacks. When the primer sets, paint over it with a good quality outdoor metal paint that can handle weather and sun without peeling. If you catch rust spots regularly, doing a quick touch-up every year keeps your pergola looking fresh and sturdy. Don't forget to check those connection points often since they get wet and trapped moisture, which is rust's favorite hangout spot. And if you're dealing with really bad rust, it might be worth swapping out the affected parts or calling in a pro for safety's sake. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with pergola canopy rust is ignoring small rust spots until they spread like wildfire. Fix that by staying on top of inspections and quick fixes. Another common slip-up is skipping the primer before painting, which lets rust sneak back underneath the paint layer. Always prime first to lock out moisture. Also, using cheap paint not made for outdoor metal means your work won't last long, so invest in quality paint designed for metal surfaces outdoors to keep your pergola looking good for years. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like rust repairs on pergolas easily and affordably. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find steady work by linking you with people who really need your skills nearby.